Hey guys, once again welcome back to Craftastic Forever, and today I'm going to unbox a ultralight clay kit which I'm trying for the first time since even I haven't tried this before. So let's get started. So this ultralight clay is, guessing it's Japanese or Chinese, probably Chinese. I can't read it technically, so yeah. And you get technically you get 12 different colors of ultralight clays, a instruction manual, and 3 tools. So let's get started and see how this works. So apparently we get all these different animals and we can make all kinds of stuff, and light clay is supposed to be super stretchy, yet it dries really quick in air. So I've seen a few videos, but I've never really tried them personally myself. So let's check the color. I'm thinking let's go with purple. So it looks something like so, and yeah, it looks kind of used because I did not try this kit, but my sister did. She's smaller than me, so I didn't never get to try it before. This is a new anyways. So wow, OMG, this literally feels like slime. Even I haven't tried slime yet actually, but be sure to keep looking for my new videos. I'm also gonna post a video about a new slime kit which I just bought, about making your own slime, and even I haven't tried it yet. I've never even touched slime real before, so be sure to check it out when I'll be posting it, maybe in a week or two. So stay tuned. OMG, this is literally like marshmallow. I mean, sorry, but this literally feels as if it's marshmallow kind of texture, and yet it's super buttery. Okay, so now I was thinking, why not make an art sculpture? So I'll meet you off camera and I'll make a sculpture. I'm thinking about this dog here because it looks pretty cute to me. I'm gonna try it, and it does seem one of the most easiest things here. So I'll show you when I'm finished. Okay guys, so it's been one day since I filmed the last video, and I can see my table is still stained. I'm really sorry for the stains over here because I did not really clean it before. Anyways, here's the dog I made. I know it's pretty sloppy and stuff, and I did keep it for drying about a day, only 1 day or two. So it should be dried by now according to the instructions, and it's actually pretty cute, and it's actually pretty light as well. It's not even heavy, so it's pretty cute if you're looking for a beginner thing themed in clay sculpting, as it was pretty easy to make this, but it took a while for me to adjust it, and it is pretty squishy even though it's dried. I really like its texture. So all in one, this kit is a thumbs up from my side. Anyways, do comment down below what you want me to do in one of my next videos, and stay tuned for more arts and craft unboxing. I'm going to do a slime art kit and a loom band kit. Technically I'm a loom band expert, if you don't know, because I've done it like a few years, like 2-3 years back. I was an expert. I don't know now, probably now as well, since I haven't tried art loom band kits since I could not find in India, and I used to do it in Dubai when I was like maybe 10 or 11. So stay tuned for my next videos and see you there. So stay creative and stay sweet. Also stay at home and stay safe. So bye bye.